show you how to make mochi bites. First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is XII SMA.
I'm Elsa. I'm Selfie Ahida. I'm Awil Rashka.
I'm Azizir. And I'm Benas.
And the ingredients of mochi bites. This is chocolate and matcha variant. And the most important thing is
Glutinous rice flour.
Elsa, what is that?
Mew. Mew. Mew.
Indra, where are you?
Oh, the Oreo.
And the last but not least. And this is
Number 1. Mix sticky rice flour, sugar, sweetened condensed milk, and salt in a non-stick container. Number 2. Pour in the water little by little while stirring until there are no lumps.
3. Pour in cooking oil, stir well. 4. Steam the mixture for approximately 40 minutes.
Stir the mixture until it doesn't stick to the container. 6. Roll out the mochi dough, coat with cocoa powder. Do this until the dough is finished.
Pour the instant flan into a container. Add warm water, then stir well. Add the gizit cheese to the flan mixture and mix well.
Next, prepare Oreo crumbs. Mash or blend the Oreos according to taste. Then, arrange the mochi on a serving plate. Set aside.
how to enjoy. Break the mochi with a fork. Dip in cheese sauce, then dip in Oreo crumbs. Mochi bites are ready to be enjoyed.